ID cards and figure out who isn't supposed to enter the club. Okay, here's the first guess for you. What can you say about this man?
Bad boy.
Don't let him in. The person in the photo is totally different. It's not this guy's ID card. Okay, here's the next one. Keep your eyes wide open. Do you see anything suspicious?
Pwede na gina mo teleport si Sans, no?
She seems fine. Let her in. Okay, the next one. Check it out and make your decision. In or out. Las Vegas is written with a W. It's a typo, which is unacceptable for official documents. This ID must be fake. Here's the next guest for you to examine. What's her name? Will you let her in?
Bugok ka si Sans,
It
no?
must be safe to let her in. What about this one? Is anything off here?
Yung Pinterest to? Oh!
She seems fine to me too. Green light. Okay, the last guess. In or out? She goes candy shopping for the week. Tonight, she buys chocolate bars, jelly beans, and gummy bears. She has all chocolate bars but 2, all packs of jelly beans but 4, and all packs of gummy bears but 4. How many pieces of each type of sweets did she buy?
Seven.
Chocolate bars are all but 2, which means that there are 2 packs of jelly beans and gummy bears together. So there's 1 pack of jelly beans and 1 pack of gummy bears. Chocolate and gummy bears are 4 together, so there are 3 chocolate bars.